In the complex landscape of business operations, enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems have become indispensable tools for companies seeking to integrate and manage various core functions. When discussing ERP, the name Sage frequently comes up, often associated with accounting and financial management. However, the question many business leaders and accounting professionals ask is Sage a good ERP system? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Sage is a vast company that offers a suite of software solutions, some of which are indeed full-fledged ERP systems, while others are more specialized accounting or business management tools. Therefore, to assess if Sage is a good ERP system, we need to delve into its various offerings and understand their capabilities and target markets. Understanding the Sage ecosystem. Sage, a UK-based company, has a long history of providing business software. Over the years, they've expanded their portfolio through both organic development and strategic acquisitions. This means that when someone refers to Sage ERP, they could be talking about several different products, each with distinct features and ideal users. The most prominent Sage ERP offerings generally include Sage Intacct. This is a cloud-based financial management solution often considered a true cloud ERP, particularly strong for service-based businesses, SaaS companies, and nonprofits that require advanced multi-entity management and real-time financial visibility. This focus is primarily on robust financial capabilities. Sage X3, now often called Sage Business Cloud X3, designed for mid-sized to larger enterprises, especially in manufacturing, distribution, and process industries, like food and beverage, chemicals. Sage X3 offers a much broader ERP scope, covering finance, supply chain, manufacturing, sales, and customer service. It can be deployed in the cloud or on-premise. Sage 100, Sage 300, and Sage 50, formerly Peachtree, ACPAC, and DAC Easy. Respectively, these are often referred to as business management solutions, and while they include robust accounting features, their ERP capabilities are more suited for small to medium-sized businesses. They might integrate with other modules for HR or CRM, but typically don't offer the same depth of integrated functionality as Sage Intacct or Sage X3 across all enterprise functions. So, is Sage a good ERP system? The goodness of a Sage ERP system depends entirely on your business's specific needs, size, industry, and budget. Here's a breakdown. Strengths of Sage ERP solutions. Strong financial core. Regardless of the specific Sage product, its roots are in accounting. This means you can expect robust financial management features, including general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, budgeting, and financial reporting. For businesses where financial accuracy and control are paramount, this is a significant advantage. Industry focus, especially Sage X3 in particular, is highly regarded for its deep industry-specific functionalities, especially in manufacturing and distribution. It offers capabilities like lot traceability, bill of materials, BOM, management, quality control, and advanced inventory management that are crucial for product-centric businesses. Scalability. Sage offers solutions that cater to various business sizes. A small business might start with Sage 50 and potentially upgrade to Sage 100, while a growing mid-market company could opt for Sage Intacct or Sage X3. This scalability means you might not have to switch vendors as your business expands. Deployment flexibility. With options for cloud-based, SaaS, on-premise, or hybrid deployments, Sage provides flexibility to businesses based on their IT infrastructure preferences and security requirements. Integration capabilities. Sage ERP systems are generally designed to integrate with other business applications. This allows businesses to build a connected ecosystem with CRM, e-commerce platforms, payroll solutions, and more, preventing data silos. Reporting and analytics. All Sage ERP products offer reporting capabilities, with the more advanced systems like Sage Intacct and Sage X3 providing sophisticated business intelligence tools, customizable dashboards, and real-time insights for better decision-making. Potential considerations and drawbacks. Complexity and learning curve. For the more comprehensive ERP solutions like Sage X3, the breadth of features can lead to a steeper learning curve. Implementation can be complex and may require significant planning and potentially external consulting. Cost of ownership. While Sage offers solutions for various budgets, a full-fledged ERP implementation, especially for Sage X3, can be a significant investment, involving licensing fees, implementation costs, customization, and ongoing maintenance or subscription fees. Varied user experience across products. Because Sage has multiple product lines, the user interface and experience can vary significantly from one Sage product to another. If a business transitions from a simpler Sage accounting product to a more complex ERP, there will be a noticeable change in feel and functionality. Customer support can vary like any large software vendor. The quality and responsiveness of customer support can sometimes vary, depending on the specific product and the support plan. Many users rely heavily on Sage's partner network for implementation and ongoing support. Less niche in certain areas. While strong in finance, manufacturing, and distribution, Sage might not be the absolute best in class for highly specialized functions in every single industry or department, e.g., extremely complex human capital management requirements might still necessitate a dedicated HRIS integration. The verdict. Ultimately, Sage is indeed a good ERP system for many businesses, particularly those in its target industries, manufacturing, distribution, professional services, and those looking for strong financial management at their core. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a family of solutions. The key to determining if Sage is a good fit for your business lies in clearly defining your needs. What problems are you trying to solve? Which departments need integration? Assessing your business size and complexity. Are you a small startup, a growing mid-sized company, or a large enterprise with global operations? Considering your industry, does your industry have specific requirements, e.g., batch traceability for food and beverage, that a particular Sage product excels at? Evaluating your budget. What is your realistic financial commitment for software, implementation, and ongoing support? By carefully considering these factors and exploring the specific Sage ERP products, like Sage Intacct or Sage X3, that align with your requirements, you can determine if a Sage solution is the right strategic investment to drive efficiency, improve decision-making, and support your business's growth. Sage has proven its longevity and adaptability in the market, making it a strong contender in the ERP space.